Today, let's draw a beautiful rainbow. Step 1. Draw a straight line. This is where our clouds will start. Draw round circles. Pop, pop, pop. Let's draw another cloud, this time a little bit higher on the right side. Connect the clouds with a big rainbow curve. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's give our clouds a smile. Draw 2 tiny eyes and a happy little mouse inside each cloud. Last step. Draw small raindrops under the clouds. Good job! Now it's time to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.